Hello dear my friend. Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you to get the safety code of the Imou camera. Step 1. Factory reset the camera. Connect the power for the camera. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the camera to boot. Press and hold the reset button for 15 to 30 seconds. Continue to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the camera to restart. The status light blinks green, which means the camera has been reset. Step 2. Connect the camera directly to the computer with a network cable. Step 3. Initialize the camera with a new password. Using the config tool software, right-click and choose Run as administrators. The software will search the camera. It's uninitialized yet. Select the camera and click the Initialize. Click Initialize. Input new password. And confirm the new password. We can select an email or not. And click Next. Click OK. We can see the results here. Device have been activated. Click here to see more details. We need the camera serial to do the next step. Step 4. Add the camera to the Imou Life app. Connect the camera to the internet using a network cable. Open the Imou Life app. Click plus and select Add manually. Select your camera name. Enter the serial number we already have in step 3. And enter the password we have activated. click Next. And click Next. Select your region. And click Next. The camera is already on the app. Click on the settings icon. Click here. And select device label. Here we have the safety code of the camera. We can save it. The end of this video is how to download and install the config tool software. Search with keyword config tool wiki. Access to the website diuawiki.com. Click to download. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Select the language. Select I agree. Select Allow Access. Good luck to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.